Steve nor Nagula, whichever will it be, shit the fudge down that I'm here to spill the real tea. You try to beef with me for spot number 1, but you're in the year you lose. So best thing you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely freaking done, cause we only just begun. I view you inappropriate, so come on then. Looking hungry for some drama. Here, let me serve you bird, bring on. Bird, bring on. Bird, bring on. That ain't nothing but a bird, bring on. Bird, bring on. Bird, bring on. Look at this, he's just crying for his mama. Bird, bring on. Bird, bring on. Death ain't nothing but a bird, bring on. Bird, bring on. Bird, bring on. Death X just put himself in his pajamas. So who what the hell is he and why you wanna kiss him? I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just red magician. You got more stuff than me, but I got 9-year-old, so hold your defecation. Collective, what the heck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds to come from a talkative rap community. No papa, yes papa, Johnny, now all the children down, and let's throw this freaking party with some bird, bring on, bird, bring on, that, look at this, he just crying for his mama. Bird, bring on, bird, bring on, death ain't nothing but a bird, bring on, bird, bring on, bird, bring on, look at that, he's just wetting his pajama. Bird, bring on. Bird, bring on. Death ain't nothing but a bird, bring on. You got a population of 7766925, but most your videos can't see to hell. That's that reason. Shabbat.